Your mind is a supercomputer. But 99% of people never update the software. Let's reprogram your brain in just 21 days and unlock your true potential. Days 1 to 7 are all about deleting the junk. It's time to unfollow negativity, stop scrolling through toxic content, and identify the thoughts that are holding you back. Start by taking a hard look at your social media feeds. Are they filled with inspirational content or endless drama? Unfollow accounts that drain your energy and replace them with ones that uplift and motivate you. Next, pay attention to the content you consume daily. Are you binge-watching mindless TV shows or listening to gossip-filled podcasts? Replace these with educational content that feeds your mind and fuels your growth. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional with what you allow into your mental space. Now comes the challenging part: confronting your limiting beliefs. Grab a journal and write down every negative thought that crosses your mind. I'm not good enough. I'll never succeed. I don't deserve happiness. Get it all out on paper. Awareness is the first step to change, and you can't reprogram what you don't recognize. As you move into days 8 to 14, it's time to install new code. Begin each morning with a powerful affirmation that resonates with your goals. I am capable of achieving greatness. I attract success and abundance. Or, I am worthy of love and respect. Repeat these words with conviction, even if you don't fully believe them yet. Your subconscious is listening, and repetition is key to rewiring your thought patterns. Visualization is your next powerful tool. Spend a few minutes each day imagining your ideal future in vivid detail. See yourself in your dream job, surrounded by loving relationships, or achieving that fitness goal you've always wanted. Feel the emotions associated with this success: the pride, joy, and satisfaction. Your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality, so make these visualizations as real as possible. But don't stop at visualization. Start acting like that future version of yourself today. How would the successful you carry yourself? What decisions would they make? What habits would they cultivate? Embody these traits now, not someday in the distant future. This isn't about faking it. It's about aligning your actions with your aspirations. As you enter the final week, days 15 to 21, it's time to rewire for action. This is where real change happens. Challenge yourself to do one thing every single day that scares you. It could be striking up a conversation with a stranger, pitching your idea to a potential client, or finally signing up for that class you've been putting off. Each time you face your fears, you're building confidence and proving to yourself that you're capable of more than you thought. Consistency is crucial during this phase. Build discipline by sticking to a routine that supports your goals. Wake up early, exercise regularly, meditate, or read personal development books. These small daily actions compound over time, creating massive shifts in your mindset and your life. As you push yourself out of your comfort zone, you'll notice fear starting to lose its grip. That presentation that once terrified you becomes an opportunity to showcase your expertise. It's a networking event you used to dread. It's now a chance to make valuable connections. With each uncomfortable action, you're replacing fear with confidence and building a new, empowered identity. Throughout these 21 days, pay close attention to your self-talk. Catch negative thoughts as they arise and consciously replace them with empowering ones. I can't do this becomes I'm learning and improving every day. This is too hard transforms into I embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. These new thought patterns may feel forced at first, but with repetition, they'll become your natural way of thinking. By day 21, you'll notice a shift in how you perceive yourself and the world around you. The lies your brain once believed start to lose their power. That voice telling you you're not good enough. It's been replaced by a confident inner dialogue reminding you of your worth and potential. The fear of failure that held you back. It's now overshadowed by the excitement of new possibilities. As your mindset transforms, you'll start attracting different experiences into your life. Opportunities that once seemed out of reach begin to appear. People who align with your new energy and goals enter your circle. You will find yourself taking inspired action towards your dreams without the hesitation and self-doubt that once plagued you. Remember, this isn't about becoming a completely different person overnight. It's about peeling back the layers of limiting beliefs and societal conditioning to reveal your true, limitless self. You're not creating something new. You're uncovering the potential that's been there all along. This 21-day process isn't a magic fix, but it is a powerful catalyst for change. It's about consistent, intentional effort to reprogram your mind for success. Some days will be harder than others, and you might slip back into old patterns occasionally. That's okay. It's part of the process. The key is to keep going, to pick yourself up and continue the work of reshaping your mindset. By the end of these 3 weeks, your brain will have new neural pathways, supporting a more confident, motivated, and empowered you. You'll approach challenges with resilience. See opportunities where you once saw obstacles and believe in your ability to create the life you desire. This isn't magic. It's mindset. It's the power of neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to change and adapt throughout your life. By consciously directing your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you're literally rewiring your brain for success. And as your mind shifts, your reality will follow. So are you ready to upgrade your mental software? To delete the junk, install new empowering beliefs, and take bold action towards your dreams? The next 21 days could be the beginning of a whole new chapter in your life. It's time to reprogram your mind and watch as your world transforms around you. The power is in your hands, or rather, in your mind. Let the transformation begin.